Hi. So today I'm going to show my sambar recipe. I'll show you all the ingredients that are required first. Um, this is tur dal. There are different dals that you get, but for sambar what you need is tur dal. So this is the measurement cup, small one spoon. If you take 1 cup of this is good enough. It is quite a bit of sambar that you'll get. So 1 cup of this, 2 tomatoes chopped into small pieces, and then washed and chopped. Wash the dal, pour 2 cups of water and pressure cook this. That is the dal. So it's already done. So dal is cooked and kept ready. Tur dal, 1 cup, 1 small spoon I'm taken. For you all that's more than enough. 2 tomatoes, small, finely chopped. Pressure cook it. Give about 4-5 whistles. It will really cook well. Okay. Now, first this has to be done. When this is getting cooked, you can get the rest of it ready. So what I'm making today is drumstick sambar. If you're making drumstick sambar, you should not cook it along with the dal. But if you're making a mixed vegetable sambar, you can put the carrot, beans and potato and all into the dal and cook it along with the dal. But drumstick gets overcooked and gets mashed, so normally it's not put along with the dal. Okay. So the drumstick is kept ready. Curry leaves, onions for seasoning. So this is 1 small onion. Then asafoetida, ing. Okay. Then tamarind pulp. Either you can extract from fresh tamarind or you get tamarind. This brand is very good. Indira's tamarind concentrate. It's very good. So I use this now for sambar rasam and all that. Then you have the sambar powder, and then you have turmeric powder, and then I've taken a little coconut. Now this coconut is optional because it's a very Kerala sambar. So if you don't use it, it becomes a Tamilian sambar. Now how I get the sambar powder is, you can make a sambar powder also, which is very tedious to make. So what we can do is you can buy this Achi sambar powder and MPR sambar powder. Buy 2 packets, 1 each. Mix it together. One is a Kannada sambar powder, MTR, and Achi is a Tamil. So mix it. This is something that I discovered. When you mix it, you get a lovely sambar. So mix these two, and that's what this powder is. It's mixed and kept. Okay. So now these are the ingredients. So what I'm going to do now is, I've kept some oil for heating. First, when the oil is really hot, you have to add a little mustard. That is for the seasoning part. So I'm dropping a little mustard. Okay. Into this I add curry leaves. Into this, now the aroma of curry leaves is coming to the oil. Then I add the onions. Once you add the onions, you have to fry it until it is light brown or translucent. While the onions are being fried, add the sambar powder into this coconut. It can, if you're not using coconut, this can go into the oil directly. So right now I'm putting, because I'm using coconut, Dad loves it with coconut. So I'm putting about 2 tablespoons of sambar powder. Okay. What I'll do is I'll just give this a beat now. In the mixie, crush it, no water, just crush it. Into this I also add a little hing. Hing is asafoetida. So that's what gives that nice aroma for sambar. I'll give it a nice beat. As the onions are being fried, what I'm doing now is adding the drumstick into the dal. So the drumstick will get cooked and that the flavor of the drumstick will come into the dal. I'm allowing it to cook for some time. Meanwhile, the onions are fried. So into this, I'm going to add the crushed coconut. This is coconut, asafoetida, that is hing, sambar powder. I'm going to add it into the oil. Fry a little so that you get a little roasted flavor of the coconut that adds to the sambar taste. You should not really make it brown or anything, just a little, just for a minute or 2 you can fry this. Then into this you add the tamarind pulp. I'm just adding a few drops, 2-3 drops. It's a concentrate, so it's more than enough. So if you like it more katta, you want it very tangy, then add a little more of it. But this is how we want here. So I put this. Now I'm going to add some salt. I'm going to add a little salt to this, and I'm going to add a little salt to this. So we'll let the drumstick get cooked. Now the seasoning is over. Yeah, so what I'm going to do now is, I'm going to add the roasted fried seasoning of the masala, sambar powder, onion, coconut, all that into this, and mix it well. Now it looks a little too thick, so what I'll do is add a little water to the required consistency. So now I add water. That's it. It's a yummy sambar. Check the salt, add if required. The drumstick needs to be cooked, it's not done. This will take about another 3-4 minutes and the drumstick will be cooked, and the aroma of drumstick will come into the sambar, and that's what makes drumstick sambar so special. Okay, so that's it for sambar. But if you want to use other vegetables, suppose you want to use lady's finger, then you should not put it into the dal, because lady's finger should be fried in oil and put into sambar, otherwise sambar becomes very sticky. Brinjal also you should not cook it into the dal. It should be fried along with the onions, because these are all vegetables which takes very less cooking time. What you can put into the dal is beans, carrot, potato. Those vegetables you can put into the sambar. Any vegetable that you like, which takes longer time. So that will cook along with the dal. So the sambar is almost done. I'm just waiting for it to boil and then it will be over. So all the best. Try. I hope it comes out well. Bye. Oh, I forgot to tell you that you have to add turmeric into the sambar. So a pinch of turmeric, and then a little ghee. This ghee gives a very good aroma to the taste of the sambar. That's the last bit you have to do. Turmeric can be added along with the coconut actually. I'd forgotten. So, see how good the sambar looks. Yeah. Please don't forget to add a little ghee to the sambar. It tastes very good. Done. Bye.